Hey everyone, I'm coming to show you a idea that came to my head for a length check shirt. So I know most length check shirts are like t-shirts, and mine was a t-shirt that I made with a permanent marker, and I was kind of scared to wash it. It may not come out, and then depends on how many times you wash it, it may fade. So I was like, what's another way I could do it? And then another reason I wanted to, what it came to my mind was because I was like, oh, I kind of need a shirt that I don't have to take off over my head. And that's just because I'm planning on doing the shape process again, and it's a bit messy, so pulling it over my head just is not a good thing. So what I decided to do was make a shirt, length check shirt, out of a button-up t-shirt. And it's white because when I get ready to check my ends, I can easily tell, you know, where the bad ends are and stuff like that. And then I'm using this so I don't have to take it off over my head, and then I'm going to sew lines on it.
So you'll need a white button-up shirt. I'm using an old shirt that I had laying around. You'll need a measuring tape, or you can use a ruler. You'll need something to mark your lines with, either some fabric chalk or something washable. You'll need a safety pin, and this will be to mark your length. And you'll also need a needle and thread or a sewing machine. So what I'm going to do is just lay my shirt out flat, and then I'm going to take my measuring tape and stretch it out, and then mark every inch with my marker. And I'm going to basically do my whole shirt all the way down to the tail. And my goal length is basically the length of the t-shirt, but I want to be able to keep track of where I am. So that's what the safety pin is for. So you don't have to make a mark. You can just put your safety pin where you were last. Or you can mark it, up to you. So this is what it looks like after I sewed some lines on it. I didn't start from the very top because it was pointless for me because I'm already way past that length. But the first two lines are done with the sewing machine, and then the rest of the red lines are hand sewn. Just because the hand sewing for me was a lot quicker. But the sewing machine lines are definitely a lot better just because they're closely stitched together, and it may not take you long if you do it on your sewing machine as well. So I'm just showing you how you can use it to check your ends, because you can see if you have see-through areas and stuff like that, because it's a white shirt. And then you can also do your length checks as well because you made the lines. I'm just going to do a quick length check while I'm here so I can see where I am. And even if you didn't want to use a safety pin to kind of see, you know, where you were last, you can always count the lines down, like, hey, I was on line such and such, and then just write it down somewhere so you can remember. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use the safety pin or not each time, but that'll definitely be a way to keep up with where you were. So this is just another close-up of the shirt. Hope you